Today, I'll walk you through how to reset filters in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to clear all slicers in your reports so you can easily analyze your data without any distractions. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is where all the magic happens, your workspace for creating stunning reports and dashboards. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Once you have Power BI open, navigate to the Insert ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find various tools to enhance your reports. Think of it as your toolbox for building a beautiful data story. Next, click on the Buttons option within the Insert ribbon. This feature allows you to add interactive elements to your report, making it more user-friendly. Now look for the option labeled Clear All Slicers. This button will be your key to resetting filters. When you click on it, you're essentially creating a shortcut for users to clear any applied filters with just one click, simplifying their experience. After selecting the Clear All Slicers option, position the button based on your preference. You can place it anywhere on your report canvas, ensuring it's easily accessible for users. Think of it as placing a signpost on a busy road, guiding users to the right path. Now here's the crucial step. Press Ctrl and click on the button you just created. This action will reset all filters from the slicers in your report. It's like hitting the refresh button on your browser, allowing you to start anew with your data analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to reset filters in Power BI. Remember, this process not only enhances your reports, but also improves the overall user experience. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.